Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is from my old YouTube channel, which I no longer post precious metals on, and I thought I would upload it to this channel because it seemed to be very popular on my old channel. I think it had around 10,000 views, so it seems that people were finding it very interesting. Now it's quite a long video, it's about 10 minutes long, so unless you're interested in cleaning a gold coin, then it's really not going to be of much interest to you. Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I clean gold coins. So I wouldn't recommend you clean every gold coin like this. If they're just got a little bit of dirt on them, then I would definitely recommend leaving it, because you can sometimes do more damage than good. Especially if they're proof gold coins, you can damage the actual proof shine of them. So just do your own research and be very careful. This is just how I clean my coins, especially really dirty ones, just to kind of get off the grease and the mud and stuff like that. So I've got some cotton buds here, a couple of cotton buds, some kitchen paper, kitchen towel, kitchen roll, towel, and literally just hot soapy water. So no chemicals, nothing too harsh that's going to damage the coin. So I'll show you the coin. It's a coin that's actually, it's a sovereign that came out of a ring. So because it's been in an actual ring before, let me just focus on it for you. Because it's been in a ring, you can see it's got lots of dirt and stuff around it, all around the edges, all on the sides, all on the back, and you can see the shine. A lot of the shine's been ruined already, so that's why I'm not too concerned about cleaning this coin. You can see it's really dirty around the edges. So first thing is to put it in the hot soapy water. Now you want to leave it in here for at least 10 minutes just to soak. You don't want to rub it or touch it or anything at all. Just let it soak and let the soap just really get into that grease and dirt. So I'll fast forward the camera 10 minutes and then I'll resume. Okay, so once you've let it soak for 10 minutes, that should have loosened up a lot of the dirt and things like that on the coin. And then the next stage is to get your cotton bud and just to start gently wiping off the dirt. You can see it's coming off nicely. See already, just from it soaking in the water, it's already starting to have a clean. And you want to keep switching the cotton bud, because you don't want to, this dirt and grit or whatever you've got on there, you don't want to be rubbing that around the coin and scratching it. So keep switching over to the new cotton buds. Such a difference, still a little bit in the grooves. But so much better than it was. I'm going to leave it soaking a bit longer just to kind of get the grooves nice and clean. So as you can see, looking so much better. I'm just going to quickly give it a rinse under the tap because you don't want to leave the soap on it, because over time the soap could damage the gold, the chemicals from the soap. So make sure you give it a good rinse off under clean water just to remove all the soap that's in the grooves. So I'm just going to do that now. Okay, so now, like I said, I've rinsed it under the tap. I've got all the soap off of it. This is when you get the clean towel. Put it in the towel and you literally want to pat it. No rubbing it, because like I said, you don't want anything to scratch the surface of it. So you're just patting it gently over. Like that. Then you want to get the kitchen towel. And this will really absorb any bits of water that are left on it. So you want to roll it up in that. Nice and tight. Squeeze it all around the edges to get it in the grooves. Do it again on a fresh one. Roll it nice and tight, squeeze it all the way around. Just patting, no rubbing, just literally squeezing and patting it. And the last one. And now once you've done that, you want to try and hold it just from the edges. You don't want to mess up that clean surface. And you can see, really, really nice. Nice and clean now. Focus on that. Really, really nice. Even the edges. Nice and clean. And obviously the back. Also nice and clean. You've got a few surface scratches there, but they're already on there from when this was in the ring. But yeah, much better than it was when we started off. Really nice piece of gold. You want to let that air dry for about 5 to 10 minutes before you put it in the capsule. You don't want any moisture in the capsule. So just place it back on the towel. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes and then you can put it in the capsule. So you want to get your coin capsule. I've got mine from a company called Chard. I've ordered a few silver coins from them in the past as well. Quite a good company, so a good shout out to them. You can order any size capsule from their website. So I've just got a sovereign one here. Like I said, give it 10 minutes or so to air dry. You don't want any moisture once it's in this capsule. Pop the coin in. And there we have it. Nice and clean. So much better than when we started. So there we go. Like I said, only clean your gold if you really have to, because you will lose the shine if it's already got a shine. Like I said, this didn't have a shine already because it was from a ring, so it already got scratches on the surface, but it looks much better. You can add it to the stack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.